Good morning, class 11 science. In our last class, we completed the first inorganic chapter, that was redox reaction. Today, we'll start a new chapter of inorganic chemistry, that is hydrogen. We have studied this chapter, hydrogen, in class 8 and 9. Once again, we have got in class 11. So, first, we'll see its preparation. So, before going for preparation, when we learned about discovery and what does hydrogen means. So hydrogen was discovered by Henry Cavendish and named it by Antoine Lavoisier, which means water former. That means hydro means water and gen means maker. Now in the periodic table, the hydrogen symbol is H, molecular formula is H2, atomic number is 1, molecular mass is 2, valency it comes as 1, electronic configuration we write it as 1s1. It belongs to group 1 and first period. Okay, this is the about the general description about hydrogen and its position in the periodic table. Next, isotopes of hydrogen. Isotope means atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes, and hydrogen has got 3 isotopes like that. So protium, deuterium and tritium, all of them have got the same atomic number but they have got different mass number 1, 2 and 3. Next, preparation of hydrogen. The first preparation is by the action of water on metals. So hydrogen can be prepared by the action of metals on cold water. Say for example, active metals like sodium and potassium can react with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen, and in case of potassium it will form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen. Similarly, magnesium can react with water to form magnesium oxide and hydrogen. Next, we can also prepare by the action of acids on active metals, like say for example, when zinc reacts with sulfuric acid it forms zinc sulfate and hydrogen, and when magnesium reacts with hydrogen chloride it forms magnesium chloride and hydrogen. The third preparation is by the action of alkalis, that is base on metals. So when zinc reacts with sodium hydroxide it forms sodium zincate and hydrogen, and aluminum reacts with sodium hydroxide and water to form sodium aluminate and hydrogen. This is how we can prepare hydrogen gas. Next, in the laboratory, hydrogen gas is generally prepared by the action of dilute HCl or sulfuric acid on granulated zinc. Here hydrogen gas is prepared by the action of dilute H2SO4 on granulated zinc. The chemical equation involved is zinc plus sulfuric acid giving you zinc sulfur plus hydrogen, and hydrogen gas produced is collected by the downward displacement of water since it is lighter than water. Next method, this is the industrial method for the preparation of hydrogen gas. So in industry, hydrogen gas is prepared by this method known as boost process. In this we have got 3 steps involved. First step is formation of water gas. So when red hot coke, that is carbon, reacts with the steam water, it forms carbon monoxide and hydrogen, that is a mixture of water gas. In step 2, removal of carbon monoxide that is formed, so which is done by, so water gas is treated the water in presence of iron oxide and chromium oxide at a temperature of 773 Kelvin to form carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas. And next, in step 3, separation of carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide that is formed can be separated. So carbon dioxide reacts with water to form carbonic acid. So this is the industrial method for the preparation of hydrogen gas. And last one we have got by electrolysis of water. So hydrogen gas can be also prepared by the electrolysis of water, in which electric current is passed through the water and hydrogen and oxygen is liberated at hydrogen is liberated at the cathode and oxygen is liberated at the anode. Now today's assignment 6. Question number 1, mention the isotopes of hydrogen. Question number 2, give an equation for the preparation of the acid by the following: A, action of water on active metals; B, action of acids on metal; action of bases on metals. So you need to give the chemical equation for it. And question number 3, for the laboratory preparation of hydrogen, mention the following: what is the reagent required, chemical equation, and method of collection. And finally, the last question for the day, mention the different steps involved in the Bose process. So complete this assignment and send it in my mail.